Hi kids, welcome back once again. Today I am here with my new concept, and today I have brought new concept chapter number 4 in English grammar, and the name of the chapter is the comma. Yes, the comma like this. So today we will learn and discuss about the comma. This is a small thing, but it is very important in English language. So, what is a comma? Comma is an internal punctuation mark that indicates a slight break or pause. So, we use comma to separate words and words groups in a simple sense of 3 or more items. Again, we use commas to separate words or word groups in a simple sense of 3 or more items. Like, I am going to start. Open your book, chapter number 4, the comma. Rahul went to the grocery store. He bought mangoes, apples, juice, milk and eggs. And if I will say Rahul went to the grocery store, he bought mangoes, apples, juice. So there is a little confusion now. So Rahul went to the grocery store. He bought mangoes, apples, then slight break, juice, milk and eggs. So, we see that commas are used to separate the name of the things that Rahul bought from the grocery store. Let us read some more examples. Examples: Hina, Vishal, Shalu and Jay are absent. If I will say Hina, Jay, Vishal, Shalu, no. Hina, break, slight break like this, comma, Vishal, Shalu and Jay are absent. No comma is used before and. Here commas are used to separate the names of the students. So here is Hina, Vishal, Shalu and Jena. So commas are used to separate the names of the students who are absent. We don't put a comma before and. And से पहले comma का use नहीं होता. Where there are more than 2 words in a sentence, one after the other, we put commas to separate them. Again, where there are more than 2 words in a sentence, one after the other, we put commas to separate them. So here are some examples. Now get ready with your book and with your pencil. Put commas where you think they are needed. Now here are some names: Pinky, Riya, Jay and Gurdeep. Pinky, Riya, Jay. If I say Pinky, Riya, Jay, it's not sound good now. So Pinky, comma, Riya, comma and Jay. Pinky, comma, Riya, comma, Jay and Gurdeep are participating in the race. Next is, my father has visited France, England and Japan. France, England. So these 3 are countries. So now we have to separate them. How? My father has visited France, comma, England and Japan. For lunch, I want cakes, rice, vegetables, curry and a dessert. So, For lunch, I want cakes, rice, vegetables, curry and a dessert. But now we have to separate the tables. How? For lunch, I want cakes, comma, rice, comma, vegetables, comma, curry and a dessert. I can play cricket, football, badminton and hockey. So these all are outdoor games. So now we have to separate them. I can play cricket, football, comma, badminton and hockey. Ria, Tia, Sonia and Meena are playing in the garden. So now we have separate these names. We have to separate these names. How? Ria, Tia, Sonia and Meena are playing in the garden. My mother is beautiful, intelligent and a good cook. If I say my mother is beautiful, my mother is intelligent, my mother is a good cook. But in one sentence, we can add these three qualities. How? My mother is beautiful, comma, intelligent and a good cook. Now next page. Now read these sentences. Students, please listen to me. Students, I am addressing students, please listen to me. Priyanka, please pass me the bag. Priyanka, I am addressing Priyanka, please pass me the bag. Commas are used to separate a noun used to address a person or persons such as students and Priyanka from the rest of the sentence. अगर आपको किसी को एड्रेस करना है, रवि, here are you, रवि, where are you, तो आपने रवि को एड्रेस किया, तो रवि कोमा, आपने वहां पर थोड़ा सा स्लाइड, थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लिया. रवि, how are you? So put commas where you think they are needed. Priya, where are you going? So Priya, then slide break. So put a comma. Where are you going? Komal, please keep my books on the table. Komal, please keep my books on the table. So Komal, again slide break and comma. Teacher, may I drink water? Teacher, may I drink water? So teacher and comma. Slide pause. May I drink water? Diya, someone wants to meet you. Diya, someone wants to meet you. So I am addressing Diya. Now a slide pause. Someone wants to meet you. Neha, are you coming with us? Neha, are you coming with us? So Neha and a slide pause. Next is mother, where are you? Mother, again pause. Where are you? It is looking like a comma, na? Put commas in the right places. Now, put commas in the right places. Vineet, I am addressing Vineet, your father is calling you. So now after Vineet, we have to put a comma. I have to put a comma like this. Grandma, here are your spectacles. So grandma, now Manish, tell me the truth. Manish, Tell me the truth. I am addressing Manish. Rahul, come downstairs quickly. Rahul, come downstairs quickly. Jia, come inside the class. Jia, come inside the class. So I am addressing Jia. I have done my Hindi, English and maths homework. So these all are subjects. Now we need to separate them. I have done my Hindi, break, English and maths homework. My favorite subjects are English, science and maths. So now we need to separate the subjects. My favorite subjects are English, science and maths. In school, we learn music, dance, art and karate. In school, we learn music, dance, art and karate. So now we have to separate them. In school, we learn music, dance, art and karate. My mother can bake cakes, cookies, bread. My mother can bake cakes, cookies and bread. So now my mother can bake cakes, cookies and bread. I have invited Janvi, Suman, Sonam and Deep to my birthday party. So I have invited Janvi, slide break, Suman, break, Sonam and Deep to my birthday party. Now today we have learned, what we have learned today? The importance of comma. And now I will be sending the assignment. You have to complete it at your home and get ready for. Now in my next class we will learn and discuss about parts of speech. Okay, but till then you have to wait. Take care. Goodbye. See you soon.